theme. So when you start to illustrate this part, again, this shape, or at least the basic shape for the character, and trying to make it pretty large. That's the circular part. Finding that center line, now it's an elliptical shape, kind of the opposite direction. But remember to keep that nice and round. So you're still putting the ellipse, the kind of a major and minor axis. This is the dotted line behind it. And again, trying to find that center line with the cheeks still. And then the eyes, you can see from the nose that's going to be a section, but the eyes kind of tilt out a little bit more. And now the nose comes out flat to a point, so if you can get a gestural section for that, you'll be able to see this point, and then the triangular part of the mouth is down here, and depending on where it loops in there, so it gets that structure right up into that piece. Again, the nose, you can wrap a circle around that just to get the angle. It's kind of a triangular shape wedge at the end on that piece right there. And then the hinging part of the mouth, you can kind of see the corner, and then it has a little bit more of a slope coming out. Still has a thickness to it for the lip, and it brings it back into the cheek on both sides. Okay, and then locating the ears, for example, just placing them up on the top side there. And then the cheeks are kind of elongated out, so you can see that beginning part, and then the fur part for the nose. Now the eyes have a center line through it that you can see the tapering of it. And then inside there's another elliptical shape to represent that, the eye. So just kind of giving a little bit of a pupil there to give it a little more interest into that section. And this part rubs right along the nose there. Another circular piece. And again, just give the eye a little bit of a highlight to help it. And then once you see where the cheeks are, you can kind of get a better understanding of the tongue coming out. That cheek right there. So that cheek goes right up against the eye. So just remember to look for the basic shapes over there, the symmetry of the figure. And then when it gets to the ear, coming up a little bit like that. So there you have it for like the beginning part until you decide what you're going to create from your piece. So see where you get to on that section.